Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a t-shirt on Roblox. So guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to in create tab. First of all, you have to go to roblox.com and then click on create tab. Now once you're here, after the new update guys, this interface has been changed. So first of all, you have to click on this dashboard. So if you're on PC, just you will find this interface very easily, this page very easily. But on PC, on mobile, you have to turn on the desktop version to create your own shirt. Now, once you're in this page, now you just need to click on this avatar items, and here you can create your t-shirt, shirts, pants, etc. So you can here you can see that I have already created lots of t-shirt here. So to create a t-shirt, you have to design your print for the t-shirt. So let me show you how can you create your t-shirt. First of all, you have to click on this upload asset. Now you have to enter here. Now enter here the name of the t-shirt, but before that you have to upload an image, and image should be in JPG, PNG, TGA, and BMP. And the maximum size for the file should be 20 MB. So make sure not more than that you can upload a file. So let me show you how can you upload. Now to upload your image, you have to click on this upload button and upload your image. So I have already downloaded my image, so I'm going to upload this image. And it should be, if you upload a PNG image, better to create and like now demo for t-shirt. Now click on upload. So now once you upload it guys, you just need to click on this upload button and your shirt will be created after, t-shirt will be created after this and will be listed here. So it's not done yet. So you just need to click on your newly created t-shirt, and this is how it looks. Now if you want to sell the t-shirt, you can also sell it, but by just tapping on this on sale button, and then you have to set the price here. Now you have to click on publish button to publish your t-shirt, but it says that you don't have enough funds to sell the t-shirt. You must have 10 robux. So basically you can set the price anything, but you have to spend 10 robux to publish your t-shirt. So it's same for the t-shirt, shirts, pants, for all of them. If you want to publish or sell it, you have to spend 10 robux for it. Fine. So hope you like it guys, and that's how you can do it. That's how you can create your t-shirt. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.